happening? It's your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, it's Sunday. About to get ready for this NXT War Games. Looking forward to that. And I had some pork shoulder, country style pork shoulder. And I was like, I didn't know what to do with it, so just grilling it up same old way or smoking it. I was talking to my oldest boy, Tyrell, and he was like, "Why don't you just do some CSR Glizzies?" That's right. We about to do some country style pork rib, little links, what we like to call CSR Glizzies. Check it. All right, so what I got here is it was like a whole pack. It was like over 2 pounds, and this is probably 3/4 of a pack. Did dice it up and then put it back in the freezer, and I used 1.5 packs. So this is like a pound and 1.25 pound of country style pork ribs, ground up, freshly ground. And I didn't, this is what I came up with. Looks interesting, I know. Tastes and smell amazing. And I was going to use my powdered soy, but due to the heat and humidity, that looks like hash. And I have some brown sugar that chunked up as well. So I was like, what am I gonna do with those? So I dissolved those in a little bit of hot water, combined them with 1/2 pack of this tocino mix and 1/2 pack of this fried rice seasoning, a little tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon and 1/2 of onion powder, teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon and 1/2 of this Goya Total seasoning. And this is what I came up with. So this is what I am going to season my pork with. So this is what we're going to do. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to get this mixed up. Back in a minute. Okay, so I went ahead and formed me some glizzies. Had these bad boys. After I seasoned the meat and got it all mixed up, I let it sit for about an hour in the refrigerator, in the freezer. Actually, I put it in the deep freeze. Let it sit, kind of firm up, and then I made my little links right here. I got 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. And then with the leftover meat, I just went on ahead and made these little meatballs. I always wanted to smoke some meatballs, so here goes some smoked pork meatballs with that little mix that I came up with. And now it's time to get these bad boys on some smoke. Alright, so it's been about a good hour and a half. I went ahead and flipped them bad boys, and let me put a little sauce on these meatballs, because the meatballs will be finished, or actually almost done, but I want to sauce them with some of this right here. Alright, so the meatballs are done. Nice little pork nuggets of joy. And we went on ahead and sauced these bad boys with some of that Kraft sweet teriyaki. Pretty good. Hold on. This right here, slow simmered sweet teriyaki by Kraft's. And it smells good, it tastes good. I didn't use it. We didn't use it before cooking stuff in the oven and on some fries. Alright, so my battery died. But yeah, let's get a taste of these bad boys. Country style rib meatballs. Ground it up myself. Yeah. Alright, so. Oh yeah. There was a lot of fat in that meat. Nice, good pieces of fat. I don't know if you saw that spittle that just came out. But it landed on my arm. But this is good. That sweet teriyaki. Put it on there so I can get some smoke on there and get tacky on the meat. Yeah. That's a nice, good little appetizer. So these glizzies is done. And I went ahead and sauced them bad boys up with that slow simmered sweet teriyaki from Kraft's. And I'm gonna go ahead and, we're gonna put these on some buns. But I found these in the store. Kroger brand, Rich and Honey hot dog buns. So it's enriched buns, no high fructose corn syrup. Yeah. All right. I mean, instead of spending a gang of money, on another brand, check out these Kroger's, because I'm about to. I'm going to toast these bad boys up underneath the broiler with some butter, get them nice and toasty. And we're going to be back with one of these in between these buns, baby. Country style rib glizzies. Alright, so I got my buns toasted up. Buttered them bad boys up. Kroger, man. Kroger be coming up with some good product. Yeah. And let's see what these enriched butter and rich and honey gonna taste like with these glitz that I made. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that one right there. Yeah. And we just gonna do that. And a little bit of spicy brown on there. Just a tad bit. That's all you need on any kind of dog. I am against ketchup. Alright, let's get a bite. Alright. Here go a bite. Well, that bun is on point. I like the hamburger buns too, but I haven't used those. That's a really good bun. And that spicy brown really complements the seasoning and the sweet teriyaki barbecue sauce. Alright, it's your boy Keenan. I'm about to go ahead and hit the shower, get ready to watch this War Games. It is on NXT, yeah. And it's a little something, if you got some ground pork, you don't know what to do with it. Check this out, season it any way you want. The season I did, I just made up. I had some stuff left over trying to get rid of, and that's what I came up with. But use whatever. Let me know what's happening. Drop something in the comment. Let me know what you use, how to turn out. Alright, it's getting rough again. It's getting a little tight out there. So everybody be normal, be safe, wash your hands, wear your mask. Don't forget to check out the boy on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Anyway, check out your boy on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Keenan just felt like cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.